Good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the 6th unit, laundering. Yesterday's sessions you have discussed about the washing, definition of laundry, laundering and the processes and the principles of laundering. Today's session is third session. In this session you are going to learn about the types of washing. What are the types of the washing? There are three types. First one is washing by hand, second washing by machine, third one is dry cleaning. These are the types of washing. See the equipments used for the washing. First one is washing by hand. Laundering by hand involves soaking, beating, scrubbing and rinsing dirty textiles. Before indoor plumbing, the washerwoman, laundress or housewife also had to carry all the water used for washing, boiling and rinsing the laundry. According to an 1886 calculation, women fetched water 8 to 10 times every day from a pump, well or spring. So what is a washing by hand? Laundering by hand involves, that is washing is done by hand. It involves soaking, beating, scrubbing and rinsing dirty textiles. For this earlier calculation, women has to carry that fetch the 8 to 10 times every day from the pump. But nowadays the technology is changed. See the hand washing. These are the scrubber, beater and the tub. Water for the laundry would be hand carried, heated on a fire for washing and then poured into the tub. That made the warm soapy water precious. It would be reused first to wash the least soiled clothing, then to wash progressively dirtier laundry. So what is the process? First you have to heat the water and pour into the tub, and then warmy soap water is very precious. You can use it for reuse that soapy water. First you have to use for the less dirty clothes and then progressively for the heavier dirtier clothes. This is the dry cleaning. Dry cleaning is any cleaning process for clothing and textiles using a chemical solvent other than water. In the dry cleaning, we are using, it is also a cleaning process for clothing and the textiles, but we are using here chemical solvent rather than the water. It is used to clean fabrics that degrade in water and delicate fabrics that cannot withstand the rough and tumble of washing machine and clothes dryer. It can eliminate labor-intensive hand washing. Dry cleaning involves cleaning the clothing and garments by using special chemical solvent instead of water to remove stains and dirt from fabric. As the name implies, dry cleaning does not involve the use of any water or soap. Cleaning substance implemented here is a liquid. So for the drying cleaning, this is also a cleaning process, that is it involves washing of clothes by using the chemical solvent instead of the water. From using the chemical solvents, we can remove the stains and the dirt particles present in that garments or the clothes or the textile materials. We are not using the water and the soaps here. All the soiled and dirty garments are dipped, soaked and cleaned with the help of this liquid substance. The fluids used in the earlier stages were highly inflammable and were considered as hazardous to use. Nowadays, a solvent called a perchloroethylene is used by most of the dry cleaners. Dry cleaning is absolutely necessary for delicate fabrics as they cannot withstand regular washing. So dry cleaning, we are not regular fabrics or the textiles, we are not going for the dry cleaning purpose. Only rarely used, that is delicate fabrics, we are going for the dry cleaning. This is washing by machine. Clothes washer technology developed as a way to reduce the manual labor spent, providing an open basin or sealed container with paddles or fingers to automatically agitate the clothing. The earliest machines were hand operated and constructed from wood, while later machines were made of metal permitted a fire to burn below the wash tub, keeping the water warm throughout the day's washing. So, using the hot water. Removal of soap and water from the clothing after washing was a separate process. First, soap would be rinsed out with clear water. After rinsing, the soaking wet clothing would be formed into a roll and twisted by hand to extract water. The entire process often occupied an entire day of hard work plus drying and ironing. This is the process carried out in the washing machine. You have to answer the following questions. Enlist 3 types of washing. Describe hand washing. Explain washing by machine. Last, describe dry cleaning process. Thank you.